Ahead of the release of his directorial Sadak 2, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt penned a note for his daughter Pooja Bhatt, explaining his duties, privileges and love for the film. Pooja my gladiator, हम टैक्सी ड्राइवर ये कहते हैं कि सफर शुरू होने से पहले हम सफर के मालिक होते हैं, मगर जब सफर शुरू होता है तो सफर ही मालिक होता है. Today as we begin the last leg of our journey, I feel unshackled. I carry no burden, no weight. No reputation to hold on to, no mission to accomplish, nothing to prove to anyone. If the film works, it belongs to all of you. If does not, it's mine. That's the duty and also the privilege of the director. You all gave me so much love and support, for which I'm very grateful. I love this film because each one of you made this possible. Now I feel like a free bird. My wilderness is calling me, saying Mahesh, chale. The note read. Pooja has shared her father's note on her Instagram account. The film is a sequel to 1991 film Sadak, starring Pooja Bhatt and Sanjay Dutt. The sequel stars Alia Bhatt and Aditya Roy Kapoor along with Sanjay and Pooja. Sadak 2 will premiere on OTT on August 28. Telugu superstar Rana Daggubati, who wooed the audience with his brilliant acting in Bahubali, will be tying the knot with girlfriend Mehika Bajaj on August 8. The actor took to social media to share the moments from the Haldi ceremony with his fans and followers. Rana captioned the post, and life moves forward in smiles, thank you. In the photo, Rana is seen beaming with joy in a white shirt with a matching white dhoti. Mehika looks stunning in bright yellow lehenga and seashell jewelry. She left her hair open and wore subtle makeup. Mehika is founder of Mumbai-based Drop Design Studio. On the acting front, Rana will be next seen in film Hathi Mere Saathi. Bollywood actor Bobby Deol is making his digital debut with the film Class of '83. The film is backed by superstar Shah Rukh Khan's banner, Red Chillies Entertainment. Sharing the trailer on Instagram, Bobby wrote, Class of '83, when the system is in danger and the only fearless can save it. The film is the story of a hero policeman who is shunted to a punishment posting as the Dean of Police Academy and narrates how he in turn decides to punish the corrupt bureaucracy and its criminal allies by training 5 lethal assigned policemen. Class of '83 also stars Anup Soni, Joy Sen Gupta, Vishwajit Pradhan, Bhupendra Jadhavat, Neelad Mahajani, Hitesh Bhojraj, Sameer Paranjpe and Prithvik Pratap and releases on Netflix on August 21st. Bollywood actor Bipasha Basu and Karan Singh Grover starrer film Dangerous trailer is finally out now. The film story is about a young entrepreneur whose wife is kidnapped and his ex-girlfriend is sent to probe the case. The thriller project, releasing on the OTT platform MX Player on August 14, is backed by Mika Singh and Vikram Bhatt. The film is written by Vikram Bhatt and directed by Bhushan Patel. This is the second time Bipasha and Karan unite on screen in a Bhushan Patel directorial after the 2015 horror film Alone. The film also stars Suyash Rai, Natasha Suri, Sonali Raut and Nitin Arora. On Friday, producer Ekta Kapoor shared the first scene that late actor Sushant Singh Rajput ever shot for his debut TV show. Sushant made his acting debut in Ekta-produced television soap Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil in 2008. Taking to Instagram, Ekta posted a video clip of Sushant's introductory scene in the show. She captioned the post, Lots of people were asking me about Sushant's first scene. This was the first scene we shot with him. This was his first scene on television, which went on air in a show called Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil. He was the second lead in that show, but we knew he was meant for greater things and he went and did just that. Lots of love, peace and prayers for this beautiful, beautiful piece of light and shining soul. Sushant was last seen in Dil Bechara, which released about a month after his June 14 demise. The film released digitally owing to the ongoing lockdown. Shweta Singh Kirti, sister of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, shared a cryptic social media post on Friday when his girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti appeared before the Enforcement Directorate in Mumbai. Someone said, "Be careful who you mess with because you don't know who protects them in the spiritual world," reads Shweta's post on her Instagram account along with a painting of Lord Shiva. Har Har Mahadev, Shweta added along with her post. The ED on July 31st registered a money laundering case against Rhea and her family members. The case pertains to suspicious transactions worth Rs 15 crore allegedly carried out from the late actor's account. Rhea arrived at the ED office here along with her brother Shovik Chakravarti at 11:50 am for questioning. The ED will record her statement under the Preventions of the Money Laundering Act PMLA 2002. Bollywood actress Vaani Kapoor has been cast opposite Ayushmann Khurrana in the upcoming Abhishek Kapoor directorial, which is pitched as a progressive love story. Vaani took to her Instagram stories to share the news. This is the first time Vaani will share screen space with Ayushmann. The film cast Ayushmann as a cross-functional athlete. It is set in North India and shooting is scheduled to begin in October.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.